So I need to create a lead generation page that connects to my CRM, but I don't have time to code it from scratch. Actually, I have no idea how to do it. Let me show you how I solve this in minutes using Lazy AI. All right, so first we're gonna open up Lazy AI. Sign up for an account, head to the Lazy AI interface. Now we can see the prompt input box. Here I'm going to prompt, create me a lead generation form with fields for first name, last name, and email. Integrate this form with GoHighLevel to send captured leads to the CRM. Additionally, create a tag in GoHighLevel for each lead indicating it came from Lazy AI. We now have a description and acceptance criteria. If all looks good, hit sounds good, and let's build it. Watch this, the code will start generating right in front of our eyes. Now we can test by clicking Run App. It will now deploy the app for us to test out. This looks good, but I think we can make it better. Go back to prompt and add in some more details. We're going to add a title saying get started today, a header that reads join our community, a description text saying fill out the form to connect with us, and make the colors and styling black and white. Make it neat. Lazy AI will now notify us once the code is complete. Next, we just need to enter in the environment secrets by inputting the GoHighLevel API and location ID. All right, let's test this out. I'm going to quickly fill out the form with some dummy data and submit. All right, now let's check GoHighLevel CRM. Boom, the lead data is right there in our CRM. It's even added in the Lazy AI tag. This is insane. We've just built a working lead gen form connected to our CRM in a crazy short amount of time using Lazy AI. If you want to check it out, head to the link in my bio to test it out yourself. Also make sure to check out my author page on Lazy AI, where I publish this exact template so you can build on top of the app and customize your own lead form. Remember, Lazy AI works with Python, HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. It's powerful, but your skills and creativity are still super important. So, what problem are you trying to solve? A chatbot, a CRM integration? Let me know in the comments what you'd like to test out.